그러니까 10년에
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, show a video of our safety demonstration. We ask you to direct your attention to the TV monitors. Also, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, your handheld devices should be in airplane mode. They must remain in airplane mode until we land in San Francisco. And all of your other larger devices, such as a laptop or a DVD player, should be turned off and stowed at this time. Make sure your seat bags and tray tables are fully upright lock position, and do make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened. Thank you.
MileagePlus is an important way for us to provide value to our most loyal customers.
Every time you fly United, you earn miles that you can use to fly our network, to fly our Star Alliance partners, for upgrades, for staying at hotels.
So there are a lot of entry points, so people don't have to amass hundreds of thousands of miles before they're able to redeem them. And we're always striving to add more benefits for our members through partnerships for MileagePlus.
The partnership with Marriott Rewards and MileagePlus has been in place for almost 20 years, but we're always looking for ways to enhance the experience for the traveler. So we developed Rewards Plus, which does just that.
This is a program by which, if you're a premier member in the MileagePlus programs, you can also get elite benefits in the Marriott Rewards program and vice versa.
No other domestic program does this.
And nearly everywhere United can fly, Marriott has a hotel.
Some of the most popular redemption destinations are going to Hawaii, Japan, San Francisco, London. I think it's really a vote of confidence from our members in voting us the best frequent flyer program the last 10 years in a row. And United also has the best award seat availability. So you're more likely to find an award seat on United than you are on any of our competitors.
Our whole goal is to make sure that the MileagePlus program is the most valuable loyalty program for our travelers.
Welcome aboard. Bienvenidos a bordo.
Benvenuti a bordo. Jindi Donrap.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying United today. We appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Please switch all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode, or disable cellular technology for the duration of the flight. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, smaller personal electronic devices must be secured, and larger laptop computers must be switched off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. If you're seated in an exit row, you may be required to assist the crew in an emergency. If you cannot perform the functions described on the safety card, please ask a flight attendant to be reseated. This 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. When opened, slides will automatically inflate. There are also 4 window exits over the wings, which can be opened by removing the cover and pulling down on the marked handle. During a water landing, do not use the exits in the rear of the aircraft unless advised by a crew member. Slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation devices. You'll also find rafts in marked compartments. Some aircraft include an additional raft. If you must evacuate the aircraft, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exit path lights will illuminate and guide you to the exits. Each of the 8 exits is marked with an overhead sign. Please look around now and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. You'll find a life vest under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. Tear it open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. Smoking is not allowed on this aircraft. It is against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy lavatory smoke detectors. For your safety, you must follow the instructions of our crew members and obey posted and lighted signs. We'll be taking off soon. Your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest should be stowed. Make sure your seat back is upright and that your seat belt is securely fastened. Please review the safety card located near your seat. If you have any questions, please ask your crew.
Thank you for flying United.
Dhanyavad.
Vielen Dank, dass Sie heute mit uns geflogen sind. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thanks again, and enjoy your flight.
Welcome aboard. With DirecTV in-flight, the best in-flight entertainment is right here in your hands. You'll enjoy your flight with so much to choose from. You can watch live news or your favorite sports. Catch up on your favorites or find something new to watch. We'll keep the kids happy for hours on end with the best in family entertainment. From June 12th to July 13th, enjoy the best soccer in the world live from Brazil. Don't miss the action on these channels. In the mood for a movie? Then check out our exciting selection of Hollywood blockbusters. And on today's flight, watch our in-flight entertainment and you'll automatically be entered for a chance to win a $2,500 vacation package. Traveling with family or friends on this flight? Swipe the same card on 3 or more screens and receive $2 off each purchase. Just swipe your card. Then sit back and enjoy your flight. United MileagePlus members, here's an exclusive offer for you. Subscribe to DirecTV at home and receive 25,000 MileagePlus award miles. Enough for a round-trip domestic award saver ticket.
I love having a free checked bag with my United MileagePlus Explorer card.
I've saved $75 in checked bag fees.
Priority boarding is really important to us.
You can just get on the plane and relax.
I love to travel. No foreign transaction fees means real savings.
We can go to any country and spend money the way we would in the U.S.
When I spend money on this card, I can see Brazil in my future.
I use the Explorer card to earn miles in order to go visit my family, which means a lot to me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Cox here on the flight deck. I'd like to welcome you aboard United Airlines Flight 1453 nonstop service from Seattle to San Francisco this morning. Beautiful day along the coastline, but there is a little low ceilings in San Francisco, so we have a takeoff time of 10 o'clock, just about 10 minutes from now. So not too big a delay. Flying time en route once we're airborne, 1 hour 39 minutes, so we're still expecting an on-time arrival in San Francisco today. Once we're airborne, we'll have updates on the weather and our exact arrival time. For now, just please do remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened, as they can change that takeoff time at any time, and we want to be able to take full advantage of it. Welcome aboard.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.